There is an old story told in many cultures about the battle that exists inside every human heart. It is the story of two wolves. An elder once told a young boy, inside every person, there are two wolves constantly fighting. One wolf represents anger, jealousy, fear, and resentment. The other wolf represents kindness, peace, love, and compassion. The boy listened carefully and then asked, which wolf wins the fight? The elder looked at him and replied, the one you feed. Every day, we feed one of these wolves through our thoughts, through our actions, through the way we treat others. When we feed anger and negativity, those feelings grow stronger. But when we feed patience, gratitude, and compassion, those qualities grow within us. Life may bring challenges we cannot control, but the attitude we cultivate inside ourselves is something we choose every day. So the real question is not whether the wolves exist. The real question is this: which wolf are you feeding today?